comply? Who gonna comply to Daddy? You gonna comply to Daddy? Are you Who did fly to Daddy? Who did fly to Daddy? Look at you. He's on Daddy's head. On Daddy's head. Daddy's head just makes a nice landing, doesn't it? Ooh, look at the big baby. Only reason he looks weird is because Daddy's still hand feeding him, and that formula, you mix it up as a powder with water, and it gets on the baby, and it gets messy. Daddy tried to clean it, and Daddy tried to chop away some feathers too. Oh my, my, my. Look at the little girl. Ooh. There, she's mad. She's mad. She's mad. She wants to beat up this, you want to beat up the Berber's crew, I think. You want to beat up the boo-boo, aren't you? Oh, you want to see that? You see her want to attack a Berber. I guess we better go, Berber. Seems like he's supposed to get you. Seems like he's supposed to get you. Oh, girl. There you go. Oh, you attacking Daddy? Attack Daddy? The bird's getting Daddy. Ooh, attacking Daddy for no reason. Look at that bird attack Daddy for no reason. Ooh, look how mad he is. He's really getting at Daddy, huh? Shh. Oh, they're just gonna get you. Ooh. The baby.